Well, trying to catch bait, and I've already acquired the target species. Interesting. And that's the perfect size to eat. Well, today should be a good day if I catch a catfish while I'm trying to catch bait to catch a catfish. I'm gonna set up shop right here on this island because I don't really want to carry around a cooler full of angry catfish. So I'm gonna set the lines there, keep the fish here. And I've always learned that dragging angry catfish on a stringer in a kayak is no good either. Just causes problems. So it's gonna be a little more work paddling over here with the fish, but it'll be worth it. All right, that didn't take long. Didn't take long. I think I already got 2 on for sure. And I literally just put the last one down, so no time in between having them out and getting these fish in. The only trick today is going to be I got to keep paddling over to that island because I am so much slower with that cooler, and I can't afford to be slow to chase these things down. This one right here doesn't appear to be big. I'm not even sure if it's hooked yet properly, but yeah, that one's definitely dragging a fish. Let's see. The great thing is I'm really not targeting large fish to eat. Yeah, he's on there. He's on there. Yeah, I gotta be careful not to let him go under my boat. Oh, he's not. He was on it, but he didn't have it. Okay. Well, I'll leave the camera running because that one is streaking across the water as we speak. I prefer not to get doubles and quadruples on being alone today. Makes it interesting. Man, he's dragging it like a big fish would. Now he's not. Let's see if he still got it. It's like they can tell when you're on top of them. They know. They know. Oh, I don't think small. Oh my. I don't think small. He sure don't feel small. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jesus. Ooh, is this gonna be too big to eat? Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is a good one here. Oh, I got one on the blue one over there. Oh my goodness. Did not expect this one to be the first one. Oh, I got 2 of them over there. All right, let's see what we got here. Yeah, that's a pretty good one, I have to say. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh my God. Whew. All right. It's like, what do I do first? Start making my way to the ones that are over there. Right? That's what you gotta do. You're fishing 12 lines by yourself. Yeah, that one's going out to sea. Let's sign off here. All right. And go get these. Fit in this cooler? I brought the big cooler on purpose, but my goodness. I guess we'll try him, huh? Yeah, he fits. Just barely. I'm thinking, yeah, I still gotta go chase whatever's running too, although it stopped running right there. All right, so cut myself on the line, kind of bleeding a little bit. That's part of fishing. All right, should I do some just in case? I think so. Right? I mean, he ain't knocking that off, is he? Back to chasing him down. I probably have like 3 or 4 fish on right now. And the wind is spreading them out, which isn't a bad thing, but a lot of distance to cover now. All right. This one appears to still be hooked. He's just probably wrapped up in this log, I bet. Yep, I feel him. He's there. He's there. He's more of an eater. It's kind of more what we want to see. And he didn't get my bait, so that's good. This for sure got me in this tree, which I can't prevent that unless I'm right on top of him. Let's see if I can get him out. If I can't, I can't. It's one of those things. At least the hook's in a fish, so we'll see. Yeah, he's on there. Yeah, he's on there. Not sure if I can get him out. He's... Oh, I got him. I actually got him out of there. That's nice. At least I got him out, huh? Sometimes you don't. Just hook out. And just like that, here's another one. We got 2 catfish in the back of the boat, just back there flopping. And I gotta go get this one way over there. And I guarantee I'm gonna be coming back to more on that side. I need to keep away from this tree though, that's bad. Yep, still rowing. Ooh. Now this jug actually stands up, which kind of tells me, I mean, yeah, he can stand it up, but I don't know, this fish might not be that impressive, but talk smack until you pull on him, huh? He's definitely hooked. Yeah, he's gonna be an eater. I mean, they're all eaters today, right? But oh, he swallowed the hook too. All right, I'll deal with him. Yeah, seems like every one of them has a fish on it. Whoa, if he can do that, huh? Well, maybe. Let's see. Is he just freaking feisty? No, he's a big one. He ain't little. Wow. My goodness. Barely hooked too. Barely hooked. Don't really want to net him. Jesus. Whew. At least you guys are seeing what it's really like. Ain't all puppies and kittens out here. All right. Next, after I get settled, everything I come up on has one on it. I mean, catfish are just in here by the gajillions. Let's see, what is he? Just probably, yep, small eater. just barely hooked. Okay. This island, and of course I had a jug over here, or a noodle over here, and it's got a fish on it. So I guess I'm just gonna grab it and try to just swim him right over, since he's right there anyway. All right. He doesn't seem to be doing all that much. Let's see. Yeah, he's still on there. All right. Yeah, he ain't big because I'm pulling his butt. All right, now I got to deal with so much crap. So my whole back of my boat was loaded up with catfish, and I had to drag these two lines in that also have catfish on them. See, he's got him. I ain't even seen this one yet. I'm guessing he ain't too big. And on top of that, look at the back of my boat. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna keep many more. It's already starting to look like some work in there. You know, before you kill 3 deer or keep 70 catfish, you gotta think, oh yeah, I'm the one doing it. So I don't know if that one had one on it when I was coming up to it. I think that one just got on there. So he's gonna be feisty. I'm kind of just collecting them at this point. I haven't been fishing that long, but I mean, I don't need a million. Yep, he's feisty. I'm thinking I might just kind of do that with him. Just kind of paddle him over to the island instead of dealing with him in the boat. Well, 9 all in total, and some of them are pretty big. You see? That one. That's a pig, right? I mean, that's like the biggest one of the day. Probably your mediums and your smalls, right? That's the one people like to eat. That's it. Time to cut them up. That's a pileated woodpecker. I don't see them up close that much. They like them big dead trees. I don't know if you guys could see that or not. He's up there. It's kind of a birdie morning, seeing eagles fighting and ospreys eating fish.
Where'd he go?
He doesn't like us. Oh yeah, he's a dark fish. Yeah. First one on the swim bait today. Man, he almost looks black in that clear water. There he is. Not a big one, but on a day like today, take anything we can get. Man, he pulled hard for being not really that big, and he just fell right off. Oh yeah. And they're all skinny and malnourished. Huh. All right. Oh yeah. Cool. Yeah, nothing's really worked today. Casting has been abysmal. So I'm gonna just troll 2 crankbaits. It's not a very fun way to fish. Some people would rather not fish than troll, but I'm just one of those people. You know, make an hour drive to a place. At least least like to not leave empty-handed. Trolling's boring, it really is, but it's effective when nothing else works. I like to get those lures as far behind the boat as I can, because when they're kind of shy to bite on these days, these bluebird, crappie, sun-filled days, and a bad time of year like deep summer like this, just get that lure as far as possible from the boat. And what happens, happens. This might be what I was after. That's exactly what I thought I might get today. Yeah. Can't tell how big yet. Not a giant, but a crappie nonetheless. That's worth a cruise back through. The last time I was here last year, I figured out that I could get crappies on crankbaits. Just got to work for them. God, he came in like, he actually hit it pretty hard, but came up and just started. I mean, it was like too much for him. He was helicoptering at the top. Let me get him off. Coming at me. How big are you? Not very big. But it is a fish. I trolled this lake forever. Just got him in the snoot. Oh, got him in the snoot. Not very big, but it's a fish.